Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your virtual reality fitness classes business, easy and quick. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Now create new business, enter your business name. Now select your industry, virtual reality fitness classes. Now enter your business name. After you enter your business name and select your industry, now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first, let's go to the first section on the website, the header section. You can edit it from here. If you want to change the site name, you can change it from here. Here, if you want to turn this on, the logo, and replace company name with the logo. You can also upload a file. Here, if you want to change the label, or here, if you want to add the link, you can turn this on and open link in a new page. If you want to manage your social links, and here, if you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link, and here, add your link of the social link type. So that's it. If you want to edit the style of the section, you can edit the positioning or the social icon, the spacing, the sticky, the background. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to add the section, click here and select any section you want from here. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. The next section, the banner of the website. If you want to change this, the hidden, you can just click regenerate and it will be changed. If you want to change the subtext, you can just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also here, if you want to change the label or add a new label, if you want to change the link or add the link, here you can turn this on. Also, if you want to edit the style of the section, the spacing, you can make it small or medium or large. If you want to edit the bottom, the horizontal alignments, the vertical alignments, if you want to edit the background, the color or the image or the gradient. Here, if you want to regenerate another image, you can edit the image position. You can also edit or manage a background overlay. And here, if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the text and image section of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to regenerate another content, just click here. You can also manage and edit the type or the size of the writing. You can generate another image. And here also, if you want to edit the image position, or if you want to turn this on and add the label or add the link. So here, if you want to edit the style of the section, the text alignments, the image alignment from here. If you want to edit the image cover or contain, here if you want to edit the rounded corners, small or medium or large or none. So that's it. If you want to edit the background, so let's save this. Let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the same of this section. Let's move on to another section. The list of the websites, you can edit it from here. Here, if you want to change this, you can also manage your display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. Here, if you want to manage your list items, and also here, if you want to add list item, you can just click here, regenerate. You can generate another image. If you want to edit the image position, you can also generate a title or generate the contents. So let's save this. If you want to edit the style of the section, the alignment or the image or the spacing or the background. So let's save this and let's move on. The next section, the testimonial section, you can edit it from here. You can add testimonial here. If you want to generate a code, you can generate by who is this the code. If you want to generate image or file, upload the file. So let's save this. If you want to edit the style of the section, the alignments and the spacing and the vertical alignment and the background like this. So let's save this. The next section is the image section of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to regenerate another image, here if you want to edit the image position. So if you want to edit the style of the section from here, so let's save it. The next section is the contact form section of the website. You can just click here, and here you can edit or regenerate the contact form. You can also edit the size or the type of the writing. You can manage files. Here, if you want to turn this on and custom input labels, you can generate a form success message. So here, if you want to manage or edit the style of the section, form alignment and spacing and the background. So let's save this. The next section, the location section of the website, you can edit it from here. Now, if you want to change the heading from here, if you want to change your business address, you can also add text files. You can add the title or the content. Here, if you want to edit the style of the section, the type or the theme, or the rounded corners, the vertical alignments, the marker color, the background. So if you want to regenerate the content of the style of the section, just select the content like this and it will be regenerated. If you want to regenerate the style of any section, just select the style. If you don't like the entire section, just click here and it will be changed. So let's move on to the next section, the footer section of the website. You can change your business name here. If you want to turn this on and replace a company name with logo, you can also upload file. You can add additional details. You can add your business address or any other relevant details. You can turn this on and add a label or a link. If you want to edit the social link settings, you can add a channel. Just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So that's it. Now if you want to edit the style of the section, the type or the social icon or the spacing or the background, so let's save this. So now wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now after you edit your and design your website, now all you have to do is click here and you can publish your website and get your free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.